Accepting and managing your orders on Nexarco is simple and efficient. To review a new order request, navigate to the My Orders page and open the Order Requests tab. Here, you will find all newly received project requests from your clients. Click on Review Requests to view the complete order details. Take a moment to carefully review the project brief, examine any files provided by the client, and go through their responses to your pre-order questions. Understanding the client's requirements thoroughly before accepting an order helps ensure a smooth and successful project experience for both parties. Before proceeding, please note that by accepting an order, you are confirming your ability to complete the project within the delivery timeline specified in the selected package. Failure to meet the agreed deadline may result in a refund being issued to the client according to Nexarco's policies, which may affect your payout eligibility. Once you have reviewed the project requirements, payout details, and applicable service charges, click Accept Order so the order can be confirmed. The client will then be notified and allowed to proceed with payment. Please do not begin work immediately after accepting the order. An order is only considered active once the client's payment has been successfully completed. Nexarco will notify you as soon as payment has been received, and you may begin working on the project at that point. Once your work is complete, click on Deliver Work to submit your order. Provide a clear description of the delivered work along with any instructions, notes, or recommendations that may help your client review the submission. Next, upload your final files. If your files exceed the platform's upload limits, you may share them using secure external file transfer services such as Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or similar platforms. After the delivery has been submitted, the client will be notified and invited to review your work. Once the client approves the order, Nexarco will begin processing your payout according to the platform's payout schedule. And that's it. Your expertise has helped complete a project, your client has received their deliverables, and your earnings are on their way. Become a hero on Nexarco today.